The integers. The integers is a collection of numbers, that is the negative numbers and positive numbers and 0, -2, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Divisor. Divisor in the integers. A number divided an other number, that is called the divisor of the given number. Example, let us take the number 8 and 12. 8, 1, 2, 4, 8, these are all the divisors of the 8. 12 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the divisors of the 12. Here 1, 2 and 4 are the common divisor of the 8 and 12. These are all common divisors. 4 is the greatest one. Therefore 4 is a greatest common divisor of 8 and 12. G greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor of 8, 12. 8, 12 is 4. Next definition. The positive integer c is said to be the greatest common divisor of a and b if it satisfies the two conditions. The condition number 1 is c is a divisor of a and b. C is a divisor of a and b. Second, any divisor of a and b is a divisor of c. Example, let us take c is equal to 4 is a GCD, greatest common divisor of 8 and 12. 4 is a divisor of 8 and 12. Any divisor of 8 and 12 is a divisor of 4. Here 1, 2, 4 are all the divisor of 8 and 12. Thank you.